All right. Hello, all of my friends in private equity. Today, we're going to be talking about exactly how you can implement AI in 60 days across your firm. No bullshit, no gimmicks. Let's just get right into it. So, most private equity firms still treat AI like a buzzword, a checkbox on the diligence side or a feature on the roadmap 6, 12, 18 months from now. But the firms that are creating real value and creating value quickly, they treat AI like an infrastructure. They install it like you would install your plumbing at home. It's quiet, it's foundational, but it's everywhere, and your house cannot work without it. Ignoring AI today isn't neutral. It ends up being a negative carry because the firms using it right now are underwriting higher returns, scaling much faster post close, and compressing time to value like never before. Before we get into it, my name's Victor. I'm the co founder and CEO of Levanta Labs, and we help private equity firms unlock 20% more EBITDA through leveraging proprietary firm data and embedded AI agents across their portfolio without disrupting operations at all. So here's the shift. Instead of asking, what can AI do for us? You need to be asking yourself, what breaks if we don't use AI? Because dragging your feet on this, you're not preserving value, you're not preserving cash flow, you're leaking it. The top firms in the AI space, they do things differently. First, they underwrite AI upside in diligence, which means mapping out workflows, assessing proprietary data, and modeling that AI driven margin expansion. And not just theoretically, hypothetically, they do it quantitatively. Second, they operationalize in 60 days, not with whiteboards and board meetings, with engineers. They bring in teams who can integrate with legacy systems, stand up production grade automations, and deliver value before the next board meeting. Third, they run AI like a product, which means having clear owners, a roadmap, and feedback loops across the whole portfolio. They don't just ship a chatbot, they build leverage. Now, you don't need a moonshot to move the needle. A lot of teams are worried that AI is a massive undertaking and you need to implement all at once or you're going to fall behind. But to be honest, that is not true. You need a co-pilot for sales teams, a data engine that can produce your QBRs, ABRs, and help you make decisions based on data insights across your whole portfolio. And you need a reporting layer that kills that end of the month scramble. Just start there, ship it fast, and make each portco a little bit less chaotic and a little bit more cohesive and compoundable. And the real outcome is not just EBITDA lift when you implement this. You take a few days, sit down with your team, map out this process, bring in a team to help you implement, and you don't just lift EBITDA. It's not just workflow automations, but it's a platform that commands a premium multiple that people, big people, are willing to buy for a lot more money than something duct taped together. Ultimately, you're not going to be selling a services company anymore. You're selling a system that works at massive scale. Now, my final take, this is not about chasing hype. This is about hard value. The companies that are implementing AI across their portfolio, across all of portfolio companies, are scaling 2 to 4 times faster. They're reducing any admin or low value operational tasks by 60, 80, sometimes even 90%. And they ultimately get a 3 times higher ROI on what they've spent to implement a system like this. So if you're an operating partner or if you run a firm doing roll-ups in the healthcare, software, small to medium service business space, and you want to learn how the top firms are implementing AI and you want a clear roadmap on how you can do the same for your firm, get in touch with me on LinkedIn, on our website, levantalabs.com, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through exactly what we're building. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.